Alright, hop up here. Why don't you say, hey, what's up guys, this is Brennan from Brady Adventures and I want to find out what's in this box.
Well, how about you say it?
Hey, what's up guys, it's Chuck from Brady Adventures and we just got a small thing in the mail before our next trip and Brennan is really wondering what's in here. Alright,
just air conditioning stuff.
Oh, it's a few things in here, a couple things. Okay, number one, I didn't realize these were in here, but that's pretty cool. These are eye bolts, and you can get these a lot cheaper than the Front Runner brand ones. I'm going to do another video and show you this stuff and the size bolts I got and everything for that. If you have a question on these, let me know. Also put a link to these in the description. This is what I was really looking for. This coated never rust. Do you know what this is?
Yes, no.
This is called a receiver hitch shackle. This goes in the receiver hitch on the back of the vehicle,
and if you can pull it.
If you get stuck, you can hook a strap on it. I'm really anxious to get recovery points on the frame. Trail Tailor makes recovery points, and I'm going to put 2 up front and 2 in the back. But we're getting ready to go on a trip, and I didn't have one of these on last time, and it made me a little nervous. So I went ahead and ordered this. Now the main reason I ordered this one, this is the Liberrway, I think it's called. And I'll put a link in the description. This came with the little rubber on the shackle. Comes with is this rubber, right? It keeps it from making a bunch of noise banging on there, which I don't really notice it. I got enough other rattles and bangs. And it said it was rated at 11,000 pounds. Most of the other ones I think were 9,500. And this one just looked really nice in the picture, and it was cheap. It was like, I think it was 26 bucks or 25 bucks. And it's got these little bushings that keep it from rattling. Now, here's the thing about these washers. You know, the first time you take this off, you're gonna drop these things in the mud and probably say, screw it. You can see this is all one machined piece of metal. It's pretty impressive. Let's see what the rating on this says. It says 4 3/4 ton. Okay, so that's a little baloney because they said 11,000 pounds, I'm pretty sure, but it's 9.5, so whatever. These pieces of metal are essentially standard things, right? So whether it's smittybuilt or Liberrway or whatever company it is, they're all gonna have probably this 9,500 pound shackle, and this is gonna be probably rated at a higher rate, but ultimately this is the weak point at 9,500 pounds. So the Liberrway guys, you know, not real cool that they tried to pass it off as a 11,000 pound thing when it really isn't. But either way, it's sort of the same as everything else, and they're about the same price. It goes, it's gonna slide right into here, just like that. And a lot of people put a locking pin. I have a locking pin, but it's kind of a crappy one. A lot of people put a locking pin so they don't have to worry about somebody stealing it. What do you think? How's it look?
It looks weird.
Well, it's not the ideal recovery point to have on your vehicle, but it's better than nothing. I wonder if that rubber will stay on. I think you're going to find that these are all pretty similar receiver hitch shackles. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.